welcome back to my channel. How's it going? How's everyone doing? How's your quarantine? Mine's going pretty good. Thank you all so much for the overwhelming support on me starting my YouTube channel. Everyone's been so supportive. I was honestly a little nervous to start it, but you know what? It's something I've always wanted to do, so I am doing it and I'm excited. For today's video, I wanted to film a little tour around the farm and kind of show what we have here, like what kind of animals we have, what kind of stuff we have planted. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Slight change in plans, guys. So my mom just got a message from one of her friends who said that they have a calf, like a baby cow, for sale, and they have someone who's kind of thinking about wanting to get it, but they were wanting to actually give it away to someone they knew. And so she contacted my mom and was like, hey, would you guys want a calf? This is like, it's kind of funny because like it's a cow, but I'm so excited about a cow. My mom was talking to me about it and she's like, I don't know, should we actually do this? This is a lot and it's a big responsibility, but we've literally wanted to get a cow since we got our little farm 5 years ago. So this is big because this is something we've wanted for so long, and this is we're finally able to get it. I think this farm tour just actually turned into a vlog about our family getting a cow. I hope you're into that too. Here we go. Where are we going, Everett?
We're gonna go get a baby calf.
Are you excited, Mommy?
I am. That's why I moved to the country to milk a cow.
How long have you wanted a cow?
6 years.
For the first 2 weeks, it is best to feed 3 times per day, at 8 a.m., 2 p.m., 9 p.m. After 2 weeks, you can go to morning and evening feeding only.
That's gonna be a lot.
So tell me how you came about this opportunity to get a cow.
I know a lady that had a calf born over the weekend.
This weekend? So it's like newborn?
I'll have to look and see. I can't remember what it said. I know they named it Easter, so I don't know if it was born on Easter. And you have to own the
Saturday.
cow for almost 2 years before you can get milk from a cow.
Yeah.
Because it has to be 13 to 15 months, she said, you can have it bred, and then it takes 9 months for it to calf. Then you can start milking it.
Didn't you have a cow when you were younger?
I lived with my grandparents for a little while, and they had a cow. He always had a cow, a milk cow.
So what is this? Is like this a boy or a girl?
It's a girl. That's the only way it can be a milk cow.
I forgot about that.
That is true.
My aunt thought that white milk came from white cows, that chocolate milk came from black cows.
That's funny.
Gonna be getting some chocolate milk.
She told me that's what she thought when she was little.
Where are we going now?
To the local seed and feed store
To get
to get bottles and milk replacement
and then
to get the calf.
to get the calf.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
Look what we got.
What is that? A baby
a-
bottle?
It's a baby calf bottle to feed it.
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna help feed it?
Yes. Gonna do it like this and put it in its mouth.
And she just calved just like that.
Wow.
Best calving I think we've observed.
Really?
Yeah. But she seems to be just a great, perfectly healthy, good little calf. And she has great dairy legs. What I mean by that is, Usually like a beef cow is very squat and is closer to the ground. And you'll notice this calf, she has nice tall legs.
Okay.
And so if you ever chose to milk, it gives you all that room underneath for her bag and the bucket and all
Yeah.
that stuff. So I don't know, she just seems like a good calf.
That's the only thing when the kids feed her. Don't just like hold it like that and
Yeah.
her head comes way up. She needs to have that kink in her neck. So what I usually do, I take her under my left arm like that, let her find the bottle, and then I kind of push her down. She is in that
Yeah.
correct position
Yeah.
because they can choke. It goes
Okay.
down the wrong pipe. And you just kind of, after a while they figure it out and they do it naturally. But since she just learned, I mean, let's see, what was I,
I got a cow.
Hi, Cal. What you doing?
This cut is fresh.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey.
Well, this was not the video I had planned for today. As you can see, she's settling down in her new home. She's so sweet, so precious, and we're excited to have her here on the farm now. Definitely not the video I had planned for today, but it was super fun and we're excited. I definitely still want to do a tour of our farm, and now I'll be able to add our new addition into that video when I make it. So that was cool. We still haven't named her yet, so if you have any name suggestions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments below. Give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Yeah. Oh, she's settling in.